Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. Welcome into another edition of Talking Fitchburg. It is Tuesday, August 13th, 2019. I am Jeremy Crosby, flying with Andrew today. We're flying high here on a Tuesday as temperatures continue to be, a little fairly, I'd say it's been nice, but it's been humid, a little muggy, if you will.
Yeah.
The storm's moving into the area today.
Yeah.
But all in all, not too bad.
Muggy is definitely the word.
I saw that it looks like it's going to get a little bit warmer this upcoming weekend. So nice temperatures after a front passes through. It'll be a little bit cooler the next couple of days, but then it just ramps back up into the weekend. But I am not complaining because it's not as crazy hot as it was, and certainly it's not...
still summer temps.
Right.
Still good.
It's not cool yet,
Yes.
so I'm not ready to give up just yet. Although...
hang on. I don't know. I love the fall, but it would be nice to have a little more summer yet.
Just looking at the calendar here, if I heard it right, Andrew.
Yes, sir.
The school district of Verona.
Yes, sir.
Starts on the 22nd
of August.
Mm-hmm.
Start before Labor Day.
Mm-hmm. Because they're starting early for the high school stuff for next year for the transition, something like that.
Interesting. So they could be done early to get that.
Can you
finished.
believe that?
I can't believe it.
That's back to school.
Going to be on that new giant mall-looking school.
Well,
it's
next
huge.
year.
Next year. Yes, 2020 to 2021.
Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. We're gonna get a tour in there eventually, but for now,
it looks like a mall. It's huge.
It is pretty big.
Yeah.
It is pretty big.
Yeah.
Well, we got a very busy show for you here today.
Yes.
We've been working hard, looking for those headlines and bringing you great stories today. We're going to get you updated first with headlines. Take a look at what's coming up for the day here. Then we will preview the community night out, the first community night out put on by the Fitchburg Police Department. This is taking over from National Night Out, which has been primarily held on the weekends and over at McKee Farms. We'll give you all the details coming up. Talk with one of the organizers, an officer from the Fitchburg Police Department. Then we check in with our friends at Independent Living, talking about home modification today, specifically outside work, looking at a stoop today.
On location.
Cool. On location.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hit the road. Said we're all over the place today. It's going to be great. Let's kick it off with your headlines. We start with scattered showers today and tomorrow. And we had some of that already pass through this morning. But chances of storms today, this evening, then rain likely late tonight and Wednesday. So, it's going to be a little rainy here. And estimated rainfall totals, there you go. So anywhere from half to an inch, maybe, depending where you are. Looks like Fitchburg right in that main heavier rain area, but we'll see what comes through. So keep an eye out there if you're heading out. Turn those lights on. When it's rainy, you have to turn the lights on. You know that? Wiper blades and lights on. Automatically, folks.
Lights and wipes.
Mm-hmm. Lights and wipes. Andrew's new T-shirt design there. All right, public hearing on the Common Council, or the Council's proposed amendments for 2020-2029 are tonight. Can't say that all at once. So at 7:30 p.m., the Common Council will hold a public hearing on that proposed amendments by council members. Tonight, come on down, 7:30 p.m., and then they will go through the amendments for CIP a little bit later in the meeting. All right, Certco as their fleet maintenance facility, they're going to be doing a groundbreaking for this. Check this out. Groundbreaking will be held on Wednesday, August 14th at 11 a.m. Come on down. It's right at Spoke Drive, so right on their property down there. We'll be down there and covering this for you. We'll bring some of that back on Talking Fitchburg later tomorrow. All right, Meet Your Mayor for Coffee is happening tomorrow. The mayor will be having coffee and a conversation with you tomorrow, Wednesday, August 14th, at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Come on out between 8:45 and 9:45 a.m. to talk with Mayor and Aaron Richardson about your comments, concerns. He's there to listen. And, he'll be doing 2 stops down at the Fitchburg Senior Center. So stop on by tomorrow, 8:45 to 9:45 a.m. at the Senior Center. All right, I mentioned off the top here, but the Community Night Out event happens tomorrow night. It's finally here. Join the Fitchburg Police Department, first responders, area businesses, and community resources, and your neighbors to promote a safer Fitchburg during our first annual Community Night Out. Enjoy food, refreshments, explore emergency vehicle displays, and connect with your fellow community members. There'll be area businesses. There's going to be lots of police cars. There's a whole bunch of stuff happening. And we'll be previewing this event coming up here in our next segment. We'll give you the inside of what is coming up for that. Pretty exciting stuff, Andrew, that they have going on there. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. And speaking of that, we've got this. Fact TV. We'll be live. We have a live special going on. Talking Fitchburg starts at 6 p.m. live. It'll be from 6 to 7 p.m. We'll be live doing a 1-hour show out there. Special guests and more. Maybe we even get Drago on. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, 1-hour live special tomorrow, both on Facebook and on the comm channel. We want you to tune in and check us out. It's going to be a lot of fun from there with their first annual event happening. So
I would love to see an interview with you and Drago. See what Drago has to say about being there tomorrow.
$10 he takes the mic.
He tries to eat it.
Another $10 says I never get that mic back.
Yeah.
So I'm out $20. So.
Exactly.
Plus the cost of the microphone, I guess.
Yeah.
So. We'll take the old ones
It'd
tomorrow.
be a good interview, though.
Yeah.
I like it.
And like I said, coming up, we're going to preview the event here
Yes.
with Morgan from the Fitchburg Police Department. She'll give you the details into that. But very excited to be out there broadcasting live. And yeah, we're going to have a good time out there. So make sure you tune in for that tomorrow at 6 p.m. All right, that does it for our headline. We raced right through the headlines. Coming up next, we open up our digest, previewing Community Night Out next right here on Talking Fitchburg.